My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Volkswagen Transporter camper. This vehicle has done just over 26,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our kitchen area, which is complete with a cooker, sink and fridge. As we pan the camera around, we can see our 2 belted seats, and from the pictures we can see this transforms into our double bed, making this camper 5 belts, 4 berth. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, using the buttons on the left, we can access radio and media, our menu, and on the right we have phone, Apple and Android CarPlay and MirrorLink, and voice control. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have heated seats on either side, as well as our AC. If we pan the camera around, we can get a good view of our pop top. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.